Okay, so I might be a little rusty today simply because of the fact that I have not vlogged in a very long time. And I think, yeah, my arm reach is also decreased. But today is going to be a little scary for me because I'm going for an operation. What's happened is that I have an ingrown nail on my left foot, left big toe, and it has kind of gotten to a point where I can't really put any pressure on it because it hurts. So today we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed. I'm a little worried. I'm not even lying. I'm a little worried because I didn't exactly have to go through surgery before, although I had to go through the toenail removal, which was done like at a clinic, and it wasn't even this severe before. Like, I don't think I can show it to you guys because it's ugly and gross. Um, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting because I think we might end up removing the entire nail out, or let's see what the doctor says. Let's go. Okay, and if you're wondering why I'm so dressed up, because welcome to 2021, where you still don't get to go out and dress up to meet people. Coronavirus, I hate you so much, and I hate you wholeheartedly. Ma, ice cream, please.
मसाला मिल्क
देखो अब आइसक्रीम दिलाना. You have to get me ice cream, yeah.
मसाला मिल्क
Ice cream.
मसाला मिल्क
This is not an option. You're getting my surgery done. Come on. I deserve ice cream.
See, the problem is come here. आ जाइए यहाँ पे आइए।
One sec, I'll take that and then she can take this.
ये जो है ना ये corner, this corner inside, the main offensive part is this corner inside.
So what he has done, he has chopped off the upper.
Alright then. So technically I was supposed to get the nail removal thing done today. But as it turns out, the swelling in my nail has not gone down. Which means that if we try to remove it today, it's not gonna help. Anyway, so I have to dress my nail up for 2 days, and then on Monday we can finally get the nail removed in the afternoon. And then I can't skate from Thursday. After he does the dressing, he'll tell me if I can skate or not. And yeah, this is really bad. The overall experience was really good because he's a very warm and welcoming kind of guy. But this sucks. I was hoping that I could get the nail removed today and then I could get back to skating within like a couple of days.
હીરો બનાવો છો મને લાગી ગઈ હે કરશો કરો છો Then finish.
That didn't hurt. How does it look though? It's done, and yeah, it's done. It's pretty good. Didn't hurt. Thank you so much.
ભાઈને બહુ સારો લાગે છે હીરો જેવા લાગો છો તમે
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so for those of you that didn't know, I did have this ear pierced when I was very young, when I was 5. So this one had always been there on my list where I was like, maybe I should get both of them pierced. So I have the option of wearing a earring or an ear stud, whichever side I want to. And today I was like, because I couldn't get my nail thing done, let's get something else done. We finally got this one done and it looks pretty good though. Okay, so this ear is starting to hurt a little bit now because apparently I have to go home and apply oil on it so that it does not hurt. That was fun though. That was definitely fun. I mean, I saw the video now and it's like I didn't even react. Now that I think of it, I want to do it again. And I want to act like, that hurt, help. But yeah, things were good because it definitely did not hurt. I'll see you guys back home. Oof. My hair's a mess already, I think. Yup. So now, because I have a toe surgery, I'm using my cycle to go grab some journals and everything, which I will need because I'm in the 12th grade and this is what 12th grade looks like. There's a puppy. But anyway, so the simple thing that I'm gonna have to do is figure out a way in which I can simply get the journals, finish them because that's super important, and hopefully not damage my leg. And I'm riding without holding the bars. Don't try all of this, please. just don't do anything that I would do and you'll be okay. Coming to something that is related to my toe surgery, because this whole video is based around it. Well, you see, what happened is I got the toe surgery done, which went very well, knock on wood. But then, as it turns out, I mess up all the time, and I messed up carrying the wrong wire. So none of the audio on the second day of the surgery, like after, like the day of the surgery and the day after, that was yesterday, got recorded. And even yesterday in the afternoon, what basically ended up happening is the lights were out and it was super hot, so I didn't record anything, but like I ended up going outside to have food. Awesome food. Okay, so I finally found the books that I needed, and it's like physics, chemistry, maths, as well as the EVS booklet that I wanted. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and finally go home. But before I do that, I have some things that I need to tell you about the foot surgery, because as I said before, I couldn't record a lot of the audio that was there. So we'll talk about that in a moment. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the first day I couldn't get the surgery done because there was way too much swelling, and we had to use antibiotics and creams, ointments, whatever you want to call them, to tone down the swelling. Second day is when I was taking the antibiotics and everything. The third day is when I got the surgery done. So the surgery was pretty cool because I can't show you all the gory stuff. Like, that was insane. It was pretty cool, but I might end up putting a picture for like a split second. If you want to watch it, then just watch this segment over and over again. Well, after that, the problem started. So basically, I actually lost or misplaced the original wire that was supposed to be for the camera connection to the mic, but then it was in my jacket pocket. This exact jacket, not even kidding. So I basically misplaced it kind of, and that's what caused so many problems where I could not record the audio perfectly. So now I'm doing this whole thing where I'm basically gonna go ahead and try to explain how the whole procedure went. So first off, he sanitized the entire area. By he, I mean the doctor. Then he went ahead and gave me anesthesia only on my toe so that I don't feel the pain. He then went ahead and started to kind of pull out the 2 chips. There were 2 chips of the nail, and there were 2 small parts of the skin that had to be removed. After all that, I had to basically wait after he dressed up the wounds and everything. And that took about 15 minutes overall. The whole surgery was done 15 minutes. I had to wait in the operation theater for 15 minutes because he wanted to see if there's any excessive bleeding or something. Right now I'm walking, but that's not supposed to be the case. I'm supposed to be at home resting. So now I'm gonna walk back to my cycle and go back home. I can't skate until at least Saturday. Although he said that there was enough merit to remove the whole nail, but since we were trying to preserve part of it, we didn't remove the whole nail. And that's my cycle. That was so awkward, man, like, jeez. Sometimes I wonder if I even know how to ride a cycle. Oh my god. The amount of times that I've almost fallen off this cycle is insanely high, especially for a person who does not cycle way too much. Alright, so I'll quickly wrap up this video. If you had fun today, because I'm sure today was definitely fun, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And if this is your first time seeing me, then make sure that you subscribe for more awesome content, which will hopefully not be... I see a dog. That's a crazy big dog, man. Thank you. If this is your first time seeing me, then make sure you subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and check out some other videos on my channel. I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and have a good time. Oh, wait. The brakes are on the other thing though. The brakes are on the other thing. I completely forgot the brakes are on the other side. One of my brakes don't work, by the way. So I'm not gonna get that fixed because... Hi. अरे मौला पप्पा, थैंक यू सो मच. मैं इसको ढूंढ रहा था. कैसे हो? Thank you so much. Shit. Today is absolutely crazy. I have no idea. So I lost my lens cap, and the guy who basically gave it back is like, he lives in the society and he knows me pretty well. So yeah, I have my lens cap now. This is beautiful.